Hello, you beautiful souls. My subscription from Not Too Shabby came in the mail tonight. So we're going to dive right into it. I'm just going to go straight for the pad. This month is my 6 months that I've been with Jamie. So I know that she sent me some. Oh, these are the uh, ephemeras. So I was supposed to get. Oh, here we go. A free gift, paper pad. Let's. Free paper pad and stamp club subscription promo. Okay, but look, this is what's really cool. I love these. In the diamond painting world, we would call these diamond dots, but these are called enamel dots in the card making world. So I understand this is like a sea theme, like a beach theme, and these are nice, pretty uh, colors. So I like that very much. I like the colors. We have like orange, red, gray, yellow, dark green, pink, and grass green. Or is that blue? That might be blue. That's pretty colors. Thank you. I'll save it. It says, thanks, Annie. If you need to cancel, you can do so in your account. I did that. Only because, not because I'm unhappy with Jamie at all, but because I have a green dot card, and they've been charging me, $21, but it cost $8 to, use the card. I did not know that. So that's why I have to cancel it and maybe get a different card. Because every time I use the card, Green Dot was charging $8. So there's got to be a better way, right? So, alright, let's look at the ephemeras first. As I always do. Here we go. It's a beach scene today, this month, so let's look. Oh, nice. Alright, guys, give me a minute. I can see already, here's some sediments, collecting shells, Call me on my shell instead of cell. Cute. Starfish. Okay, let's do this. Let's see what we got. Ready? Here we go. Okay, there appears to be approximately 48 ephemeras, a nice collection. Now let's look at the paper pad here. Beautiful paper pad from what I saw online. I can't wait to see it in person. Here we go. Two paper pads. We have the On the Sunny Side, and we have By the Shore. And I am sure that these ephemeras go with By the Shore. And let's see the pads here. All right. Here we go. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Very nice. Again, I love the marble. We always need the marble. And look at this. This is a very faint gray starfish and a whole different assortment of shells on that one. And it's gray paper. It's very pretty. Here's your speckles again. She usually has brown and green speckles in every pad. This is pretty. That's gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh, that's looks like ripply waves or sand. That looks like sand, speckled sand, beach. Very nice paper pad, very nice. And then it just seems to repeat itself. So very nice paper pad. This is called By the Shore, and it goes with these ephemeras. The second pad that you get with the paper pad subscription is as follows. What I like about the second pad is it doesn't come with ephemeras, but she usually has ephemera. Oh, look. Oh, I love this little sun. Look at that. That's a little sun faces. Isn't that the cutest? Glasses. Here we go with the speckles. Thank you very much. Love the speckles. Ooh, isn't this the prettiest? Isn't that the cutest? Ice cream and sunglasses and a banana and sun and popsicle and strawberry. Very nice. Very summery, isn't it? There's your speckles. Okay, and here's your ephemeras. Oh, look, she's got a whole page of sentiments. Happy summer. It's always summer. Somewhere. Friends, sun, sand, and sea. That sounds like a summer to me. This says it's always summer somewhere. Hello, summer. I need summer to be longer so I have more time to do nothing. Every summer has a story. Every day is one step closer to summer. Summer is a state of mind. Fun in the sun. Hello, summer. When the sun rises, it rises for everyone. And look at these adorable ephemeras. We got the sun with glasses. We got a popsicle. We got ice cream and a popsicle or a fudgesicle. Ice cream, strawberries, glasses. Very cute ephemeras. Thank you very much, Jamie. And look at the fun paper pad. Here's a black pattern, black straight pattern with bananas. Here's ice cream. I love that circles and hexagram and glasses. And then we have the sun face. The sun face guy, see? We have the sun, the glasses, the banana, the ice cream. Just fun. Just a lot of fun. Here is a yellow-green speckle. Here is a purple brown looking speckle. And then here we go into the sediments again. So we go on to repeat. So thank you very much, Jamie. Very lovely. I appreciate it. And so this was the paper pad subscription for June, and this is called On the Sunny Side, and this is By the Shore, and you get 47. I counted 47, possibly 50 ephemeras. So, guys, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to get started making cards because I have a lot of cards to send out. And thank you very much, Jamie, for the free gift, which is the enamel dots. I love that very much. You are so sweet. You are so precious. I have been so blessed to be part of your subscription, and I will see you in the next video.